Good morning. We're on the Euro USD on ITM Genesis Elite again. One of the best setups available to you is the outside boundary when the probability is under 10% or just at or around 10%. We are now looking at ITM Smart Money also indicating bearish volume there, telling us that the bears are firmly in control at this point, but there could be exhaustion. So we're going to go for our next expiry at 10:15 purely because we've missed the first 15-minute expiry, making this a 20-something minute trade. $5,000 invested, 75% payout. Let me just zoom in on the chart here, show you what it looks like in Zoom Division. So we have our boundary there at 1.23201, 1.23311, roughly 11 pips worth of a difference there between upper and lower, and the probability of this price staying inside this current boundary is very low at 8 point something percent. All right, back again, roughly 17 seconds remaining on this trade here. We have exited to the long side. Nice big breach there. First there was a test, retracement off of the test, and then a straight breach through the upper boundary. Also changing focus here from bearish to bullish. As you can see, ITM Smart Money indicates that the bulls are back in control, and ITM Genesis Elite also indicates that the highest probability short reversal zone has been breached, which means that Genesis will be revising the focus to bullish here shortly. This trade has now netted us $3,750 in net return. Also going back to yesterday's trading session where we showed you how to go about taking an outside boundary opportunity to confirm direction if it's positive, and taking a high-low trade immediately after the outside boundary opportunity to confirm to get into a trade with a higher probability of success. The outside boundary trade being used there to demonstrate which direction would yield higher probability outcomes, that being to the long side in this case, should there have been a proper opportunity. However, having said that, that high-low opportunity is not now. It will be soon, but not now because of the fresh breach of the highest probability short reversal zone. Price hasn't completed this move, and once Genesis Elite revises the probability to the long side by showing you bullish factors, then you can engage in a high-low trade to the long side, confirmed by both Genesis Elite, ITM Smart Money, as well as the previous outside boundaries exit direction. You can, of course, get ITM Genesis Elite completely free of charge if you are an existing trader at Binary International, or a new trader if you don't have an account. All you need to do is keep an existing balance of $500 in your account, and you are eligible for using ITM Genesis Elite. Plain and simple. We do this to give some traders an option other than making the purchase, which is $1,000 at ITM. You can, of course, purchase ITM Genesis Elite for $1,000, but a lot of traders request us to go the broker route. In this case, our partner broker is Binary International, a very secure, trustworthy broker. They do not mess about like many other brokers, and they have a very, very strong platform. So the keeping the balance at $500 at Binary International gives you the opportunity to avoid the higher price tag of $1,000 by purchasing the indicator directly through ITM Financial. You can go and set up an account and trade at Binary International with a minimum $500 to avail Genesis Elite as well. Thank you.